Is your 2007-2010 Ford Edge key fob not working reliably? A weak or dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit, which can cost $50 to $100. This video will guide you through the process step by step. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 3 years, but frequent use can shorten this lifespan. The 2007-2010 Ford Edge key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard lithium coin cell battery that provides reliable power for the key fob's functions. CR2032 batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers, typically costing between $1 and $3 each. Always purchase from reputable sources to ensure quality. The CR2032 has specific dimensions that ensure proper fit in the key fob. It measures 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in thickness, making it thicker than similar batteries. While CR2025 batteries are similar and might sometimes work in a pinch, the CR2032 is the recommended replacement due to its exact dimensions and voltage specifications. Using the wrong battery can lead to poor performance or damage. You'll only need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin like a quarter to open the key fob. Before you begin, ground yourself by touching a metal object to discharge any static electricity. This prevents damage to the key fob's internal circuitry. Handle the battery carefully to avoid short circuits. Locate the small seam on the key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic casing. Work your way around the seam until the fob separates into two halves. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of the battery's orientation with the positive side up before removing it. Use your fingernail or the tip of the screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it sits securely in place. Begin by carefully aligning the two halves of the key fob. Make sure the circuit board and components are properly seated inside. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a click, ensuring they are tightly sealed. Check that there are no gaps and the fob feels secure. The reassembled key fob should now look complete with all buttons visible. Now test the key fob's functionality. Press the lock button, unlock button, and panic button in sequence. For thorough testing, use a key fob tester device to verify the signal strength and frequency. The lock, unlock, and panic buttons should transmit properly. If the key fob doesn't respond after testing, it may need reprogramming. Refer to the reprogramming section for instructions. In most cases, the key fob will work immediately after replacing the battery. However, if it doesn't, you may need to reprogram it. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Cycle the key from off to on 8 times rapidly, ending in the on position. The door locks should cycle, indicating programming mode. Press any button on the key fob to program it. Turn the ignition off. Test the key fob. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery orientation to ensure the positive side faces up. Use a new CR2032 battery with sufficient charge, as old batteries can fail. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob with a soft cloth to remove any dirt or corrosion. Expert tip: avoid cheap knockoff batteries, as they can leak and damage the fob. If issues persist, consult your Ford owner's manual or a professional mechanic. Remember, for 2007-2010 Ford Edges, this DIY fix saves money and keeps your vehicle running smoothly.